How to set up your Tripadvisor top 3 reasons. Top 3 reasons is a feature that allows you to highlight 3 reasons why diners should visit your restaurant right on your Tripadvisor page. You will need to be a Tripadvisor Premium subscriber in order to publish your top 3 reasons. Let's get started. First, from the overview page, click Business Info on the left side of your home page. Then click the pencil icon to the right of where it says Top 3 Reasons. To write your own snippet, select Write Your Own option below where it says Content Source. From there, you can create your own description and title. Note, if you choose this option, you must write all 3 of your review snippets. To begin making adjustments, select the Edit button below the desired reason. Each reason, which you will set up separately, requires a title, a review snippet or free text, and a photo. When selecting a review snippet, you can search your reviews by entering keywords into the search bar. All reviews containing your search terms will populate below. Note, if you don't have enough reviews in a given language, you will only have the option to input free text. To select your snippet, you can highlight the desired text with your cursor up to 80 characters. Once you've selected your snippet, it will automatically populate into the reason preview. Click the Select Photo button and a gallery of your photos will be displayed. You can toggle between Management, Professional, and Traveler photos, or view all at once. Additionally, you will have the option to sort by featured or recency. When you have found the photo you would like to display, click anywhere on the image, then click Select Photo to save. You can also add your top 3 reasons in other languages by using the language drop-down from the Publish page. Just select the language you'd like to add and follow the same steps we've just covered. If you don't have time to finish all 3 reasons, you can save your changes at any time by clicking Save in the bottom right of the editor page. Once you've selected and are happy with all 3 reasons, click Publish. Your top 3 reasons will be live on your page within a few minutes. For any questions about setting up your top 3 reasons, reach out to your Tripadvisor representative.